friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, rooms, facilities, and emergency category 4. Category 5. Room category 6. At check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 7 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you want to know provided in the description. Or more details below the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem with people in this hotel, then you can help us by commenting. We will help you. Check out from the site and share your experience. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that